My name's Chad. I'm the Director of Sales for the company. Skyler, the founder of the company, he started with SurfPrep back in 2007 because he saw the need to help people alleviate the pain of sanding. Most people know that sanding sucks. The only part of sanding that should suck is the vacuum, but unfortunately there's a lot of different areas of our jobs that require us to do manual labor. So the difference between an interface pad and ProFoam is the ability to get into intricate architraves, to contour and take shape to very deep profiles. Now with ProFoam, we can do all of that work with the tool, and 99% of your hand sanding has been eliminated because we can hit profiles like this. ProFoam is available in 6 different grits, from a medium to a superfine plus. We have over 4,000 different styles of abrasives, ranging from a coarse 60 grit all the way up to a 5,000 grit. So there's one rule with ProFoam, and that is it's not designed to strip. ProFoam is designed for in-between coat sanding and fine finishing. We are working on a coarse grit product right now that will allow you to do that a lot better. We've made our products available to fit just about every single sander on the market. Festool, Mirka, Flex, if you have a DeWalt, a Makita, a Ryobi, a Bosch, all of those different sanders have different hole patterns. We have made our products available to every single brand on the market, no matter what hole pattern you have.